Let us see second numerical for the cascade decomposition. Here we want to draw the state signal flow graph for the given transfer function and we want to obtain the state model. In cascade decomposition, already I have told you first we have to write transfer function as products of simple first order or second order components. But here our transfer function is already written as product of three first order components. So no need to rewrite a given transfer function as products of simple first order or second order components. So here my first transfer function is 1 over s plus 2, second transfer function is 1 over s plus 3, third transfer function is 1 over s plus 4. So first we will define a state signal flow graph or a state diagram for the first transfer function, then for second transfer function, then for third transfer function. So let us consider first transfer function y1 over u1 equal to 1 over s plus 2. We can define or we can rewrite given transfer function according to 1 by s over 1 minus 2 by s. Already in previous numerical I told you how we can draw the state diagram for the given transfer function. Now let us see again how we can draw the state diagram or state signal flow graph for the given transfer function. So we know that order of the transfer function is 1 because highest power of s in the denominator polynomial is 1, or total we have one pole for the system, so it is a first order system. That's why we have only one state variable. Let us consider state variable is x1. Its derivative we can define with the help of x1 dot. So in state diagram, first node we define for x1 dot, second node we define for x1, source node for input variable u1, last node for output variable y1. If we multiply x1 dot with 1 by s, we will get x1, and branch transmittance between u1 node and x1 dot node is 1. So according to denominator polynomial, we can say we have only one loop and its gain is minus 2 by s. So we will multiply x1 with minus 2 to define first loop. So my first loop is x1 dot x1 x1 dot, and let us calculate the gain minus 2 by s. Now let us see numerator polynomial. It is 1 by s. That means forward path gain is 1 by s. So here we will multiply 1 by s with 1. Now let us see. We have one forward path u1 x1 dot x1 y1, and forward path gain is 1 by s. So from the given state signal flow graph, we can also calculate the transfer function. Already we have seen in first unit. According to Mason gain formula, we can easily calculate. But here we are assuming that sum of product of two non-touching loop gains is 0. Similarly, sum of product of three non-touching loop gains is 0. And path factor del 1 is 1. Path factor del 2 is 1 if we have second path. But here we have only one forward path. That's why I am saying